Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look at uniquely American informal contractions. Isn't that a mouthful? Yeah. You know, contractions are when you take two words and make them one word, like is and not makes isn't. But we are going to use informal contractions that you hear and see and say in everyday conversation, movies, and books. Got it? If today's your first day, I'm SL Rockfish. You're right here at the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. And if you like what you see, please hit subscribe. If you're coming back, muchas gracias. Thank you for being here. Come on. We're going to take a look at 4 informal American contractions. Maybe they use them other places, but these are uniquely American, and depending on where in the United States you go, you hear it more often. Finna, gonna, wanna, HAVETA. What? Finna, F-I-N-N-A. Finna is short for fixing to or preparing to. Gonna is short for, gonna, G-O-N-N-A, is short for going to. I'm gonna have to show you what finna means. Got it? Wanna, W-A-N-N-A, is short for want to. Wanna know what the answer is? Want to know what the answer is? We say wanna go to the store? Or have to is also known as HAVETA, H-A-V-E-T-A, or H-A-F-T-A, HAVETA. If someone says, I have to go to the store, that means they have to go to the store. Got it? Let's review. Finna, short for fixing to or preparing to. I'm finna go to the store. Gonna means I'm going to. I'm gonna see you later. I'm going to see you later. Wanna go to the store with me? Would you like to go to the store with me? Wanna learn what gonna and finna are? Ooh, all in one sentence. And HAVETA. I have to show you what gonna, wanna, finna means. Why do I have to show you? Because I get it requested a lot. Now, you can read and understand these sentences. I'm finna see my friends, but first I want to stop by the store. I'm gonna have to be quick. What? Come on, English. Why do we make these words shorter when they're already short? I don't know, but we use them a lot. You can practice them a lot. And if you're in the United States, different sections of the country use them more than others. But finna, gonna, wanna, HAVETA. Boom. Practice them, learn them, and try not to use them in a formal setting.